Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is a new 2021 goals. So we are going to be doing the money goals and also we are going to be doing the personal goals, and I added a student goals because I am going to be a nursing student in January, so that is super exciting, super stressful already. But anyways, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what kind of money goals or personal goals that you are going to be aiming for 2021. And if you are new, I have had a ton of new subscribers, so please say hey to me down in the comments. I would love to get to know you guys. If you have a channel, let me know. I will go and support you guys, give you advice. We can be friends, you know, all that fun stuff. But now let's just start with our goals. Now I'm going to save the money goals for last, and we are actually going to be starting with the personal and the student goals. Oh no, I thought I was at the last page. I guess I wasn't. Oh well. Anyway, so 2021 personal goals and 2021 school goals. Now, I do have it all written down and everything, and you can see I have 8 personal goals that I want to do and 4 goals for school. Now, let's start with the personal. So the first personal is to finish planning a wedding. So that is my goal. I do not want to be stressed out towards October or anything like that. So my plan is to plan / finish wedding planning by, let's say, by September 15th. That is my goal, by September 15th, because my wedding is October 9th. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure everything should be finished planning, like paying for and everything. So plan and finish wedding planning by September 15th. Now, is just literally a random date that I picked, but that is my goal. And then number 2 is to plan a honeymoon. So our honeymoon, we will have to probably go in December because I will still be in school and everything. So we are going to be getting married on Saturday, and then I will be back at school on Monday. And then honeymoon, I do get a couple of weeks off in December. So we plan on maybe just staying local, maybe going to Tennessee. That would be fun, or someplace or probably back in Disney. Who knows where we're going to end up at. But there's our goal, is to plan our honeymoon. Very small. I'm just going to say small. So that is our goal for the honeymoon part. And then the next 3 is actually, or the next 4 is actually the same thing. So I want to live a healthier life, which I am about to be 29 years old, you guys. Like, that is crazy. Like, it's so crazy. And, you know, your metabolism, it slows down after a certain age and everything. So, I cannot wait any longer. All right, and then 4, 5, 6 is literally lose weight. So it's 5, I do small goals and then keep building up from that. So I said lose 5 pounds, lose 10 pounds, and lose 20 pounds. So that is my goal, to lose weight, like trim up and everything for the wedding, of course, because I need to fit in that dress. Don't want to stress out about that. All right, and then this is a really major goal. This major goal is 3K followers on YouTube, you guys. So we are at, what are we at? 1,880 at the time of this filming right now. So 3K is going to be a stretch, but I believe it. I believe that I can do it. Share this video, you guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm not going to peer pressure you into doing any of those, but it would be great. It would help me out tremendously because I love doing videos and doing budgeting and helping you guys and everything. I'm not a expert or anything on it. I just actually just love like anything math or counting or anything like that. So it's been pretty fun for me. So that is a stretch. 3K followers on YouTube. So that I am very, very, very determined. And then personal, the last one for 8 is don't stress. Don't stress on small stuff. So I am a firm believer of if something happens, it happens. Like that is my motto. That's what I live by. You can't control it. If it happens, it happens. Just let it go. And so that is what I'm going to be focusing on 2021. Stop stressing over the little things and just be grateful for what you have in front of you. That is my goal for my personal goals, pretty much. All right, so that is pretty much it for the personal goals. So let's just recap that real quick. So it's plan/finish wedding planning by September 15. Plan honeymoon, a small honeymoon. Live a healthier life. Lose 5, 10, and 20 pounds. 3K followers on YouTube, and don't stress on small stuff. Now on school goals. School goals. It's pretty simple. It's just pretty much just like a reminder. So number 1 is to stay organized. Stay organized. There's going to be a lot of printables. There's going to be a lot of tests. There's a lot of questions. I'm just going to have to. That's why I got this planner right here. This is why I got this planner. I love planning stuff, and if I have a planner, I will, stick to that plan and everything. So that is my go-to for 2021 is to stay organized during school. 2 is I want to pass the 3 semesters that I have. So I will have a spring, summer, and fall semester. So it's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be stressful, but I got this. I got a good support system of family and friends. All right, 3 is don't be shy. Now, if you know me personally, you know that why did I say sky? I have no idea why I say shy. You know that I am super shy when it comes to new people, not necessarily at work because I've been there for so long, so I'm not shy about anything on that. But if I am like in a group that I do not know at all, I am very shy. I am very held back. I don't say anything. It takes me a lot to get me talking and everything. Like I analyze a lot of stuff. I analyze people. And I watch people. I know it's kind of weird, but that's just how I am. I just don't really talk. I don't try to I fill people out first. And I need to stop doing that. I just need to go in there and be like, hey, my name is Shirley, that stuff. And then last but not least is to stay calm. Yes, stay calm because I will stress because of nursing school, stress over maybe not passing a test or a check off or something like that. I just need to be calm, cool, and collected. That is what I need to do. All right, so that is my 2021 school goals. Like I said, it's very simple. Stay organized, pass, don't be shy, and then stay calm. So we are going to flip over to the money goals now. And we have 8 money goals. Now it's going to be different because now I am going PRN. I'm not making that much money. I am still trying to do a little bit of side hustle and everything. So that is going to be a common factor of the goals for 2021 also. All right, so my money goal is to, number 1, stay under $15,000 for this wedding. Now, I was actually at 30,000 and I did cut back a lot because 30,000 was literally a rough draft. But 15,000 is probably more realistic. 10,000 would be better, but I'm going to try to cut as much stuff as possible but still look elegant, because that's how my theme is actually elegant and classy. So that is my plan, is to stay under 15K. 10K will be great too, but I will keep y'all updated, and I will be having a wedding budget video coming out sometime in January. So stay tuned for that. And that is going to be my wedding budget, not anybody else's wedding budget, because I can't say what y'all's budget is or anything like that, or your style or what you look for in a wedding. All right, 2 is to pay $600 in debt. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is a lot to me. I already paid $600 last year in student loans. I am currently at $580 in the first student loans. Now, I could pay that off. I really could with the stimulus check that we are getting or have already gotten. I'm not sure if I will be getting this before this video is posted. Who knows? But I could just use that $600 to pay off the debt, the first student loan. So we'll see. I might just put it all towards wedding because we have to save a lot for wedding too. So we will see that. Now, the third is, it's a big stretch. I'm not sure if it's going to happen, but I do want to pay for braces. Now, I have mentioned before that I am insecure about my teeth. Everybody says I have a beautiful smile. You take very good pictures. You're so photogenic. Yes, I get that a lot. But I do not like my smile whatsoever. Like, when I was younger, I did. And then growing up, getting older, it's an insecurity. So my goal is to pay for braces. Don't know how I'm going to do it, but we're going to do it, you guys. Whether it be like next year in December, who knows? All right, so, and then 4 is to still pay for student loans while I'm still in college. Because, if you are in college, then they will freeze or furlough your student loans while you're in school, and then 6 months after you graduate, then you start paying it again. But my goal is to still pay for it, whether it be $10, $20. I'm going to pay something towards student loans just so my out-of-pocket whenever I finish would be lower than when it's supposed to start or whatever. Say because I think I'm under $5,000 right now. No, I'm under $6,000 right now. And if that stays, then, interest is going to come up and everything. And I don't want to do that. I want to be under maybe 4K, but by the time I finish nursing school, but we'll see about that also. Just depends on if I can save up enough money to pay for all of the colleges, see if the college will cover my expenses and everything. So we will see about that. Number 5, since this is going with school, I do want to form a better budget in mind. Now, that is because my income is going to drop significantly. It really will, and I have to figure out what is priority and what's not priority. Like, I don't need to buy those pack of Oreos. I can use that, I can use that $3 for something else. That is my mindset. I need to figure out what money is necessary and where it needs to go. Number 6 is to increase the business revenue. Now, I do have a business with my sister-in-law, and we do t-shirts and cups. We do vinyls and stuff, so I would like to increase that next year. And also, my mom and I, we have our egg roll business, which is doing really, really good, and I would love to increase that also, because that can be a main source for our wedding income and all that stuff. So that is one of the bigger goals, is to increase the business revenue. Number 7 is actually going towards school also, is to increase DoorDash income. Now, I have been DoorDashing since June or July of 2020, and I make pretty good money. Like, it's pretty much just a hobby right now. But since I'm going to school and everything, then I do need extra income. So DoorDash is a really good income and side hustle. Yes, there is some cons, like you'll be putting wear and tear on your car and everything. But, you know, I have to do what I have to do. That is my mindset. And then last but not least is to start a side retirement. Now, I am doing this because going PRN, the hospital will not match anymore for my 401k. I can still put in, but they won't match at all. So until I come back part-time or full-time, whichever one. So I want to start a side hustle, not a side hustle, but a cash envelope for retirement, putting that in the savings and everything, because I'm going to be in school for a year and a half, and I don't want to miss all that money that I could be saving towards retirement and bettering myself in the future. So that is my plan for the retirement part for when I go PRN. So that is a lot of money goals. It really is. Like looking at the numbers and everything, it's going to be a lot of money, but we're going to be focused. We're going to have a great support system. You guys are going to be my support system, my family and my friends. So we're just going to do a recap of the money challenge goals. So number 1 is to stay under 15K for the wedding. Hopefully 10K. 2 is pay $600 in debt. 3 is pay for braces. 4 is pay for student loans while in school. 5 is form a better budget mind. 6 is increase business revenue. 7 is increase DoorDash income. And 8 is to start a side retirement fund. All right, you guys. So that is a lot of goals for 2021. But 2021 is our year, you guys. We are going to do it with the help of me, a help of everybody around on this channel. We are going to thrive. We're going to thrive so well, and at the end of December of 2021, we're going to recap this all over again and see where we're at. Hopefully we can check mark some more of these, hopefully all of these. But anyways, let me know again what kind of goals you're going to be trying to accomplish in 2021, and let me know how many goals you're going to be having also. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for your love and support, and I will see you guys later. I have no idea. We got to figure out what day this is going to go, but it's probably going to either be Thursday or Saturday, so who knows. But anyways, I will see you guys in the new year. Bye.